In this video, we'll show you how to properly adjust the counter knife on a rotary mower. First, please remove the battery. Please remember to wear gloves. The counter knife is factory preset. You'll need to readjust it eventually. You can tell this, for example, by the fact that the cut looks rough or uneven and the blades of grass are no longer cut cleanly. If the machine becomes difficult to move or stops moving altogether, or if the cutting spindle emits loud noises, grinds, or jams, for adjustment, we need a 4mm Allen key, which we use to adjust these two screws here. Turn the screws counterclockwise. Increases the space between the counter knife and the spindle. Turning the other way will, of course, reduce the gap. We need the cutting spindle to rotate freely as a baseline. If it touches the counter knife, like it is here, turn the screws counterclockwise, alternating until it doesn't touch anymore, until it stops. For the best cut, the gap between the counter knife and the cutting spindle should be minimized along the entire width. Let's set that now. To check the adjustment, you can perform a cut test with a piece of paper. If the cut test is satisfactory, the device is ready for use again. You can find more information on our website.